In the previous video, we have studied about e-retailing, different formats of e-retailing. In today's video, we will study about advantages, benefits or merits of doing business online. First is ease of doing retailing. A retailer who wishes to do online business can contact his customers through websites, mobile based applications, or social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. And it is also easy for the customer to purchase goods and services online by sitting at their homes. Economical. Now, because the retailers are doing online business, they need not spend much money in purchasing shops to sell goods to their customers. E-retailing business can be done from anywhere and from any location. That is, retailer need not purchase a store, appoint staff or salesmen to assist him in selling goods. He can easily sell the goods by having a storage area where he can store the goods that he wishes to sell. He needs to have online presence and a good marketing strategy to connect to his customers. So when the business is done online, it is economical. That is, the retailer incurs less cost in doing online business. Manufacturer can act as a retailer. Another benefit of doing retailing business is manufacturer can directly sell the goods to the customers. In traditional format of doing business, it was manufacturer who manufactured goods, but the selling was done by wholesalers and retailers to the customers. But with the online format of retailing, manufacturers can have their presence online via websites or mobile based applications, or other method of contacting customers can be used, by which manufacturer can contact those customers and directly sell the goods with a good marketing strategy. Retail expansion. Now, doing business online gives good opportunity for the retailer to easily expand his business. In traditional retailing, what happens is retailer is restricted to sell goods only to a particular area, or say a city, or maximum to a state. But when he is doing business online, he can connect with the customers anywhere, not just in a particular country but also in foreign countries. He can come into contact with a wider customer base and he can meet the requirements of customers. Market research. Now, the e-commerce software enables the retailers to gain valuable insights about the customer likes, dislikes, and the shopping behavior. Using this information, retailer is aware about what are the needs of his customers, and accordingly he can make changes in his products and satisfy the customer in a better manner. Apart from this, the application's data analytics capabilities allow the retailers to track the impact of mobile marketing campaigns. That is, whatever marketing strategy the retailer is using, the impact of same can be assessed by the retailers, and if the marketing strategy is not proved to be beneficial, he can also make changes in that. So it becomes very easy to do research about the customers as well as about the marketing strategy by doing online business. All-time retailing. Another most important benefit of doing business online is the customers can shop for goods and services anytime. That is, 24/7 the retail store is open for them, and they can place orders from anywhere, sitting at any location, and the goods can also be delivered to any location of the customer choice. This benefit of retailing is not available in traditional way of doing business. Suitable for all the goods. Now, in traditional retailing, because of limited space, that is limited store capacity and limited capability of the seller, retailer used to restrict selling the goods to only a particular variety. But when you're doing business online, you can sell a variety of goods, and you can, if you want, you can also start selling services. So e-retailing business has no restriction. You can sell any type of goods as well as services on online platform very easily. Better relationship with customers. Now e-retailing helps the retailer or the businessman to have better relationship with the customers, because these e-retailing softwares are very user friendly. So if there are any queries or any difficulties which are faced by the customers, they can easily contact the retailer, and retailer also can very easily respond to customer queries online. Okay, so when this is done by the retailer, it creates good image of the seller, and even the customers feel satisfied when they receive quick responses from this seller. Apart from this, even retailers can use online retailing to build better goodwill or reputation in the eyes of customers by providing good services and good quality products to the customers. So with this, I conclude for today. Thank you.